Hello and welcome to this brief guide on how to use the URL editor feature in the SEOKart app. Firstly, it's important to remember that only SEO experts should use this feature, as incorrect changes to URLs can affect traffic. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a menu panel. Navigate to the URL editor feature. You'll then be presented with a screen displaying all of your store's URLs. At the top of this screen, there's a drop-down menu. You can use this to select the type of web page you want to edit. You'll see 3 columns on this screen. The first one displays the current URL of your store, the second one allows you to add a new slug, and the third one shows the redirect URL, which is generally the new URL. To add a new URL, click on the New URL input box and add the slug, for example, linen towel. Once you've done this, click on the Save button to update the URL. You'll then see that the old URL has been updated and redirected to the new one. If you need to delete this change and redirection, simply click on the Delete button. And that's it. It was all about how to use the URL editor feature in the SEOKart app.